Soulbrain Holdings is taking a dramatic leap forward, launching a governance system to respond to a rapidly changing operating environment. It is further elevating its future value by establishing long-term investment strategies with affiliates with global capabilities in various business fields. Never willing to settle for less than the extraordinary, Soulbrain Holdings will create a sustainable future by overcoming challenges with creativity and passion. Soulbrain Holdings, founded in 1986, is now going one step further to realize a bigger vision by stretching out into a wider world with an overriding belief in the power of technology and a desire to take on any challenges that it needs. Soulbrain Holdings is expanding its portfolio by developing its business interests on a global scale. It is building production bases for core materials and parts related to semiconductors, displays, lithium-ion battery materials and components through bold investments, while its affiliates in the biohealthcare industry are extending its future growth potential even further. Soulbrain is a long-established leader in the fields of high-tech IT materials and components. After forming a governance framework headed by Soulbrain Holdings, it went on to build a more efficient management system, taking charge of the production and sales of semiconductors, displays, lithium-ion batteries, and electronic-related chemical materials. Its steady and stable growth is rooted on its sustained competitive advantage, an extremely efficient customer supply chain, a commitment to creating a better future through innovative technology developments, and flexible responses to changes in its operating environment. It produces semiconductor materials in South Korea and the city of Xi'an, China. Soulbrain's SLDs generates its growth from 3 business divisions. The MEMS division specializes in the production of probe cards for semiconductor memory chip inspections. It has completed all the processes necessary for manufacturing probe cards using its own technology and are providing test solutions for memory devices overseas. Soulbrain SLD's display division is engaged in scribing and cell manufacturing of OLED glass that are later applied to smartphones, tablets, and VR devices. MC Solution is a joint venture established in 2007 with Mitsubishi Chemical of Japan. It develops and produces organic materials for thin film transistor liquid crystal displays and next-generation displays. Soulbrain Optos supplies optical film, an essential material for LCD panels, to a large number of smartphone, tablet, and notebook PC manufacturers. It specializes in making lighter, thinner, and more compact display panels. Soulbrain Chongqing Electronic Materials promotes its own independently developed technologies with stable production capacities, allowing it to act as a bridgehead to the Chinese display market. It produces thin glass and etchants used in the wire formation process of displays for China's largest display manufacturer. Soulbrain MI is a trailblazer in the American lithium-ion battery industry, building the industry's first production base as part of its effort to dominate the U.S. lithium-ion battery market. Using its refining and manufacturing technologies to move lithium ions smoothly, it specializes in the production and supply of high-quality electrolytes in batteries used for electric vehicles, national defense, aviation, and aerospace areas. Soulbrain E&I Malaysia provides electrolytes to a number of world-class lithium-ion battery companies. Using accumulated technologies and expertise of global leaders, it produces electrolytes that enhance the lifespans and the performance of lithium-ion battery, such as the suppression of gas generation and the prevention of overcharging. Established in Hungary in 2019, Soulbrain HU began the mass production of electrolytes in 2021. It is now a prominent lithium-ion battery supplier for companies in Hungary. Soulbrain's SLDs, the LD division, specializes in the production of lead tab, a key component of lithium-ion batteries used in electric vehicles and energy storage systems. ARC Diagnostics is a California-based provider of diagnostic tests. It possesses innovative technologies for developing a range of products for therapeutic drug management and toxicology screening. ARC has experienced continuous growth resulting from its track record for providing unique, high-quality products globally. ARC's growth is further strengthened by its strategic alliances with top-tier global companies. Future growth is foreseeable due to the exciting era of precision medicine, creating opportunities to individualize drug dosing to achieve improved patient outcomes. Based in Israel, Pixel Medical Technologies develops cutting-edge analysis technologies, driving a new standard of point-of-care diagnostics. Following FDA clearance and CE approval in 2018, Pixel is situated to become a global industry leader with its portable blood analysis equipment, able to analyze blood cells in 5 minutes using microfluidic imaging and artificial intelligence technology. Genic was the first South Korean cosmetics company to create the first water-soluble hydrogel mask pack. It is an OEM and ODM partner that works with a number of other beauty and cosmetics companies worldwide. Its independently developed Cellderma brand products are exported to more than 25 countries around the world, including the US, France, and Southeast Asia. GeneChem is best known as the world's first mass producer of sialolactose, a key oligosaccharide in human breast milk. This discovery was made possible by its one-pot platform technology, which is now patented around the world. It is currently building a facility for the mass production of global commercialization of sialolactose. Soulbrain Holdings' strategy for leading the future is to develop the world's most advanced technologies and research infrastructures. Dedicated to technological innovation, it established specialized research institutes for each of its businesses in a stimulating R&D environment. The Pangyo Central R&D Center focuses on the development of new semiconductor materials, a high-value-added manufacturing industry in collaboration with a number of key business partners. The Yongin R&D Center, a research institute specializing in lithium-ion batteries, focusing on developing materials to assist in batteries for electric vehicles and large-capacity energy storage systems. It also develops new materials for displays through significant investments in OLED device deposition equipment. The Gongju R&D Center is proving its advanced technological superiority, continuously developing precursors required for semiconductor process miniaturization, as well as etchants and cleaners required in the production of next-generation OLEDs and thin-film transistor liquid crystal displays. Soulbrain Holdings is also strengthening its business foundations and expanding into new territories by selecting the biohealthcare industry as its new growth engine. It expects to generate significant synergies in alliance with Soulbrain's core business capabilities and R&D expertise within the world's finest chemical industry.
솔브레인 홀딩스는 제2의 도약기를 맞이하고 있습니다. 2020년 지주회사 체제를 도입하여 보다 효율적이고 전문적인 경영체제를 갖추고 더 나은 미래를 준비하고 있습니다. 내일을 위해 오늘의 책임을 다하고 더 나은 미래를 위해 도전을 멈추지 않는 솔브레인 홀딩스의 앞날을 함께 지켜봐 주시기 바랍니다.
Soulbrain Holdings' dream is to be in business a century from now, leading the world through sustainable growth towards a better tomorrow and future. Soulbrain Holdings.